What are the key dashboard indicators and features of the 2024 Audi Q5 instrument cluster? And how do they enhance the driving experience? How does the virtual cockpit enhance the driver's experience by offering customizable displays for navigation, media, and vehicle status?
Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators.
Central indicator light, cooling system, safety belt, transmission, high voltage system, electromechanical parking brake, steering lock, brake intervention request, traffic jam assist, steering intervention request, distance warning, lane departure warning, pre-sense, hood, engine oil pressure, electrical system, battery and remote control key, engine speed limitation, bulb failure indicator, central locking, adaptive light, headlight range control system, light rain sensor, windshield wipers, safety systems, engine start system, convenience key, hill hold assist, brake system, electromechanical parking brake, all-wheel drive, suspension control, electronic stabilization control, anti-lock braking system, adaptive cruise control, side assist, exit warning, emergency call function, parking aids, rear cross traffic assist, park assist, predictive control, tank system, malfunction indicator, lamp, engine oil level, engine oil sensor, engine warm-up request, electrical system, washer fluid level, tire pressure, low beam headlights, parking lights, turn signals, start-stop system, cruise control system, efficiency assist, high beam headlights, high beam assistant, child safety lock, convenience key, brake, speed warning system, camera-based traffic sign recognition, park assist, adaptive cruise assist, hill hold assist, fuel filler door, trailer turn signals, high voltage battery range, plug-in hybrid modes, OLED tail lights, vehicle sound, drive system.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.